Having spent some serious hands-on time with the Touch Bar version of the new 13-inch MacBook Pro, and testing its capabilities with a wide range of apps, it feels like a tool that can enhance your computing experience, but won't revolutionize it. It does less than a full touchscreen might, but Apple has found a way to use it to cut down on keystrokes, streamline tasks and add additional levels of fine control. Some who've seen the Touch Bar only from afar call it a gimmick, but I almost immediately started finding little things it did better than traditional keyboard and touchpad input, and after a very short time I was using a handful of these Touch Bar functions instinctively, without even thinking about it. If you spend a bit of time trying it out in different apps, you'll end up with maybe a half dozen or so shortcuts you love the Touch Bar for, while your computing experience remains otherwise unchanged. That makes it harder to justify as an expensive add-on to the new MacBook Pro line. The least expensive Touch Bar system is the one reviewed here, at $1,799, £1,749 or $2,699. That's a $300 jump over the more mainstream $1,499 entry-level MacBook Pro, £1,449 or $2,199, which lacks the Touch Bar. But in addition to the Touch Bar, this version also has a faster processor, a 2.9 GHz Intel Core i5 versus a 2.0 GHz Core i5, marginally better integrated Intel graphics, Iris 550 versus Iris 540, and it doubles the number of included USB-C Thunderbolt ports to 4. So at least you're getting more for your $300 than just the Touch Bar. Previously, the entry-level 13-inch MacBook Pro cost $1,299, £1,249 or $1,999, but that model had half the storage of these new ones, only 128 gigabytes. Note that if you're kicking yourself for missing out on the older Pro, which was excellent in its own right, with its lower starting price and wider variety of ports, Apple is still selling a single 13-inch and single 15-inch 2015-era configuration, at least for now.